Hey everyone, welcome back. You're in Nasa and Rick Vlogs kitchen, and from you see Nasa, you know I'm back with an awesome video for you guys. And today's video is going to be important, guys, because I'll be cooking my national food. Alright, and my national food is ackee and saltfish. So I'll be cooking up some ackee and saltfish for you guys. Very important video. Alright, so you guys stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, guys. So I'm sorry I didn't have the ackee in the when it's in the pod to show you guys, but most of who is Jamaican and who have visited Jamaican have already know what the ackee look like. Alright, before we take it out of the pod. So here I have my ackee boiling. Alright guys, you know we have to boil the ackee first, and we also have to boil our saltfish. I'll show you the saltfish. So now my ackee is boiling, guys. Alright, it's been there for a while now, couple minutes. So as soon as you test it, guys, and it's soft, then it's okay for you to take it out. Don't boil it, keep on to test it. Don't boil it when to make it too soft, because it's easy to crush out. Alright guys, so here I have my saltfish, and I've been soaking this saltfish for about an hour. I've been soaking the saltfish. I've washed off the salt of it. Alright, I've washed off all the salt from off the saltfish, and here you could see. Alright, so I'm about to put it in the pot with the ackee to let it boil. I have washed, this is very salt, guys, so that's the reason why I soak it in water for 1 hour. You can do it less than that, but I did it for 1 hour. Alright, so because this is very salt, and don't want the ackee and saltfish dish to be salt, so we have to make sure we wash off the saltfish properly. Alright guys, so I'm about to add this in the pot with my ackee. The ackee may be finished cooked before the ackee is going to finish cooked before the saltfish, guys. So what you can do is, when the saltfish is finished cooked, you can take out the ackee and leave the saltfish in there for the saltfish to boil. Alright, so I put the saltfish in the pot with the ackee for it to boil, and I make sure that I wash off the saltfish properly. Alright guys, so now I'm going to get all my vegetables, which I'm going to use in my ackee and saltfish dish. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, yes family, National Red Vlogs is back, and as you can see, I'm going to have my Jamaican, my national dish, with some rice. Alright, so I'm going to have my ackee and saltfish with some rice. So we have other persons who cook ackee and saltfish with dumpling and banana and so forth, but today I'm having it with rice. Alright, so you can see my rice is already in the pot. You know, I have to wash my rice, and I've added some butter and some salt. So I just added, so it's not boiling up as yet, so I'm just waiting for it to boil up, because that yellow thing you're seeing on the top is butter. Alright, so I'm about to have my ackee and saltfish with some rice, white rice. Alright, so the saltfish is boiling. I have took out the ackee because the ackee finished boil. Alright, so I took out the ackee, so the saltfish is boiling. Alright, so that's how the saltfish is. Alright, stay tuned guys. That's my ackee right there, family. I took out the ackee because it's finished boil. Alright, it is soft, so I took it out. I don't want it to mash out, because ackee is really easy to mash up, guys. Alright, so I took it out the pot and leave the saltfish to boil. These are the vegetables that I will be using in my ackee and saltfish. Alright, that's my national dish, ackee and saltfish. So this is what I'll be using: some sweet pepper, onion. I'll be using a piece of garlic. I have sweet pepper here again. I use the green and the red to make it have colors. You know, I have my thyme, my scallion, and I have pepper here. I'm going to use a piece of this pepper. This pepper is very hot, so I'm going to use a piece of it. Alright, tomato. So you see this when this is all diced up, guys. All right. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm still cutting up my vegetables and my seasoning for my Ackee and Saltfish. Alright, so I'm still cutting up my seasoning that I'm going to use in my Ackee and Saltfish. Alright, that's my national dish, guys. That's my national dish. I love it so much. Right? I love Ackee and Saltfish, guys. And I guess some other person can testify to that they love Ackee and Saltfish. If you've ever been to Jamaica before, I guess that you have tried it. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Hey family, Ness is back. And I've just finished cutting up my seasoning to put in my Ackee and Saltfish, my national dish, guys. So I'm waiting on my saltfish to finish boil, guys. Alright, my Ackee is finished boiling and I'm waiting on my saltfish to finish boil so I can start this amazing dish for you guys. Alright, I'm so happy, guys, because I'm preparing my national dish today, which is Ackee and Saltfish. Alright guys, so happy to show y'all, and I hope you guys try it. Alright, make sure you try it. Some of y'all can't get the Ackee in the pot, but you have the Ackee in the tin. Alright, I know that you have the Ackee that is in the tin, so you can try it just the same. Alright guys, pick up on yourself and stay tuned. And my rice is also cooking. I'll be having it with some white rice. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for that. Alright. Hey guys, I'll be also adding some okra. I will not dice these. I'll be cooking them just as how we see this. Alright, so I'll be boiling them just like this to put on the side of my Ackee and Saltfish. Alright, so now I'm just preparing them. Scraping them as usual. And I will cut the bottom off and I will also cut the top off. Alright, and then I'll wash them. Alright guys, so that's what I'm doing now. Preparing some okra to go on the side. Alright, I won't be dicing them up. I'll be leaving them as it is and boiling them when they're whole. Alright, so alright, so there we have them. I'll be washing these and boiling them just as they are. Alright. Hey, I'm about to check on my saltfish, guys. Alright, so I'm about to check on the saltfish. What I'm about to do, guys, is take out the saltfish now, so I'll show you how I prepare it. Alright. Hey, my saltfish is out, guys. I have to put it in some, I have it here in some water because you know it's not seeing it. Let me take it out my hand. Here it is. I have to take out all the bones. Alright guys, I have to take out all the bones from out the saltfish. Alright, so that's what I'll be doing with the saltfish, guys. Alright, when I'm finished taking out the bones, I'll show you guys how it is. So I have to pick out all the bones from out the saltfish. Alright, all these bones. If you don't get out all of them, that's fine. While you're doing your eating, you look out for the bones. So that's what I'll be doing, guys. Alright, I'm going to pick out all the bones and wash it and start to prepare it. Hey family, Nassarit Vlogs is back. I finished look about my saltfish, so I have took out the bones. Here are some of the bones. So I took out these and here it is. I wash it and I'm about to start my national dish, which is Ackee and Saltfish. Alright guys, so there is the saltfish. Alright, so stay tuned. Hey family, I'm back and I'm about to start cooking my Ackee and Saltfish, which is my national dish. So I have my pan there with my oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these vegetables. So I'm going to add these vegetables and seasoning to it. Alright. I'll be sauteing these guys, and then I'll be adding my saltfish. Alright. I'm just adding these sauteed, and then I'll be adding my saltfish. Yeah. I just add my saltfish, and I also add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. So here's my saltfish. I've added to my seasoning. Alright. I have to keep this on a low heat, guys. Alright. I'm going to keep it on a low heat so that it can come together properly. Alright. So there you have it. I add my saltfish, my seasoning, and my vegetables. Alright. I'm just going to leave it there, let it uncover it, let it saute before I add my ackee. This smelling so nice, guys. I know we're not a cook and not normal. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm about to add my ackee. My ackee is ready to be added. Alright, so I'm going to add in my ackee now, as you all can see. I'm adding my ackee to this amazing Ackee and Saltfish dish, and this is my national dish. Alright guys, so I'm adding my ackee. And I'm going to mix it around. So I will show you guys when I'm finished adding my ackee. Alright. Yeah guys, this is my national dish, alright, my Jamaican national dish, and I had to cook this, guys, for you all. Alright, so this is my ackee and my saltfish. Yeah, you know, a Jamaican national dish, this, guys. So you know, Nas did have to cook this for you all. So guys, here it is, my ackee. I just add some black pepper to it and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. So guys, it's just cooking down now. I'm about to cover it and let it cook down. Alright, as you can see, my saltfish, alright, my ackee and all my seasoning and my vegetables are in there. Alright, this is my okra that I finished boiling just now. So this is what is going to add on the side. Alright guys, look at that love and goodness. You know, that's our vlogs in our kitchen and not normal, guys. I know that. Alright, and here is my rice. I put the foil on it so it could steam down. So that's my rice, finished steam. Alright, and my ackee. I'm about to cover it, guys, and let it simmer. Look at it, guys, look how pretty it is. Look at that, guys. Guys, you guys should taste this right now. This is my national dish. I'm here representing my nationality today in the kitchen. So you don't know some ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. Alright. So when next is when I'm going to share the wonderful plate, guys. So I hope you all stay around. Stick around with me, guys, so you can see it. Hey guys, I'm back and this is the finished look of my national dish. This is ackee and saltfish, and I have some okra on the side with some white rice. Alright guys, are you guys seeing this? I wish you all could smell it. It smells so good. So This is my national dish, ackee and saltfish. As you can see the saltfish there with all my vegetables and my seasoning. My okra is on the side right there, and I have my shelly, nice white rice, guys. So look at that. That is so awesome. Alright, so guys, please remember to subscribe, share, like our videos. Alright, thank you all so much for the continuous support. Alright, Nas is out. Bye guys.